There's a 400. And there's another Ethan, which we have another modded Otis in here. Let's see. I think this one is a... Oh, do they? I think this one's a bit different. So there's a basement. Same cab as. That's cool. Yeah, green. I like the green lights.
And
there's a green CE display. Same cab as 333.
no.
No, 333.
Oh.
This one's basically identical. It's like the same mod too. No, let's see if it's got a motor. I think it might be loud. Let's see. What happened? Was there somebody out there?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just end that one. It probably have like that Epco chime, because this is a lot like the one I saw in Hop Hog.
Yeah, this one's different. Oh, sorry, my finger was in the shot.
You can press 1 if you want.
I just want to get a picture.
Go for it. You want to press 1? That's the basement.
Really nothing.
It's got Otis down there, probably also pre-Lexan. This one looks like it's more heavily modded.
Yeah, definitely got this
Otis.
place.
Doesn't have the Otis plates anymore.
No, that's not the Otis workshop.
Simp.
No way. No.
And let me get the elevator in the shot. And let me get the elevator in the shot. Thumbnail. Okay. Yep. Sorry. Alright. I think we got what I needed. So that's it.